Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you a simple Valentine's makeup look. For the foundation, I will apply Dream Satin Skin in the shade of B4. I've already applied my moisturizer before I started with the foundation. To blend it out, I will use my Real Technique sponge. Next, for the concealer, I will use LA Girl Pro Concealer. I apply it in the lower part of my eyes, forehead, bridge of my nose, and to my upper and lower lip. I will still use my sponge to blend it out all over my face. For contouring, I'll apply the Pink Sugar HD Cheek color in the shade of Morocco. I apply it on the sides of my forehead just slightly to make my hairline appear a little more narrow. I'll also apply in the area below my cheekbones, starting from my ears and ending in the middle of my cheeks. Then lastly, to my nose to look thinner. To set everything in my base, I'll be using the Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Powder in the shade of B1 Wood Beige. Pressing it on will prevent the foundation from moving around. It also allows the foundation to set better so it stays on all day. For my eyebrows, I'll be using the Loreal Brow Artist Designer Pro. This will help me design the most perfect, natural looking brows. To shade my brows by lining in the arc with a crayon tip. Then, to evenly spread it out, I'll use the brow brush. Then, I will shade those areas with less hair by filling it with powder. Next, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the NYX Dreamcatcher palette. I picked the light brown shade for my base. Then the medium brown shade for the transition color. I concentrate in the outer V area going up to my crease. Next shade, I'll be using the violet shade from the palette. This gives me more darker shade in my outer lid. Next, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I place it on the half of my lid as I wanted to create a half crease effect. Then I pick light orange glitters from the palette and I gently pat on the half of my lid. I blend it again using the violet shade. Next, I'll be using again the light and medium brown shade in my lower lash line. For the highlighter, I'll be using the white shade in the palette. I apply it in my brow bone, in the inner corner of my eyes, in the bridge of my nose, and to my upper lip. Next, I'll be using the Rire Eye Fixer. This is used to coat my eye makeup. I apply it in my eyebrows, eyeshadow, and lower lash line. To give volume to my eyelashes, I'll be using the Covergirl Flame Out Mascara. I also applied in my lower lashes. For my blush, I'll be using the Milani Powder Blush in the shade of 05 Coral Cove. And I will use again the white shade from NYX palette to highlight my upper cheekbone. Lastly, for the lipstick, I'll be using the Maybelline Vivid Matte in the shade of Violet Pink. And that's it. I hope you like my simple Valentine's makeup look. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified on my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.